This is Pioneer's MVH-S21BT digital media receiver. This is an in-1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The Bluetooth system is designed to operate with your Android phone and your iPhone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. The MVH-S21BT is a digital media receiver that does not play CDs. As you can see, this model is about half the depth of a conventional in-dash receiver that has a built-in CD player. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Alright, you can see this is a very small box for a half-depth receiver. Let's see, first thing we get here is kind of a hardware pack, and inside the hardware pack we have the wire harness. Let's get that out of there. Okay, here's the wire harness. We'll use this to connect all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver to the vehicle, like power and ground and speakers and so forth. We also have some installation screws and 1-DIN radio removal tools there. And we have, here's the quick start guide, and also in here is the warranty card. And let's pull the in-dash receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the MVH-S21BT has a large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The Bluetooth phone call microphone is built in right here. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. Please note, the Pioneer MVH-S21BT does not play CDs. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the MVH-S21BT, the AM/FM radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The electrical wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer MVH-S21BT has a built-in amplifier that will power up to 4 speakers. And here is one pair of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. And that is Pioneer's MVH-S21BT. And what's in the box?